Hey guys, recently got a MaxspeedingRods, a package from them, and there's some new coilovers for the hatch, Civic. They're 8K springs on the front, 5K springs on the back, and I'm gonna put them on the car and give them a review. Car from the middle of the subframe, and we put 2 jack stands under it so we can be safe. And after that, all you gotta do is, if you have speakers, take them out or take the plastic cover out, which I already did. And there should be 2, I want to say they're 14s on the top, and this other side is also 2 14s. And you remove this one right here. Hopefully it doesn't snap on me, it looks kind of rusted. And after that, you should be able to take them out and put the other ones in. Finish taking both wheels off. You have a 15 and you got a 14 on this side that you got to take off. Just hold the 15 with the tool, a hand tool, and do the other one with the impact. It'll be way much easier if you have one. And it should just come out. Also remove both bolts from the top and just put this one in to get into the little points, which go up here. Just screw the 2 nuts that come with it. They supply it with 2 15 nuts, and all you gotta do is screw them on, hand tight, until you get a chance to tighten them with the impact or wrench. Whenever you do this, try to align this as much as you can. And then whenever you have a jack, or you're gonna have to need a jack, it'll be easier. Just lift it slowly until it aligns properly with the coilover. Keep a little bit more. If we pretty much simple from there, put the 14 back in there, almost fits in place. And the 2 nuts they supply you with, they are both 15 millimeters. So pretty much simple as that. Alright, we're completely done with this side. Got the 2 15s on and installed them. They look pretty nice on the car, not gonna lie. I have a 14 here and the side one tightened too. This one's a 15. And they look pretty decent. We got to do the other side, and I'll show you whenever we have both wheels on and the car's on the floor. In there, and tighten the 14 and hold it the 15 bolt right here with the hand tool. And we're about to put both the wheels on and lower it on the ground and see how it sits. And I'll get back with y'all after we're done with coilovers. They're between, I want to say the color is blue and purplish, depends on where the sun hits it. They are 5K spring rates. They're pretty decent to me. This is the brand MaxspeedingRods. They make decent coilovers for the price you're paying. I wouldn't mind putting these on another car that I have. But if you ever guys need any coilovers, any suspicion or parts, go ahead and shoot them a text. There you go. Start with the front. Same concept. They're both 15 nuts at the top. These are 8K spring rate springs, and we're gonna go ahead and take these 2 14s off. Come down to the bottom and take 14 right here. I already took it off, and you can try to hammer it out. I would honestly just recommend taking this 14 off and removing this top bolt and just taking it out, basically. And after that, just hammer it from the bottom of the fork up so it can take the straight out. And after that, just get these bad boys in. It should slide right in. This how it looks after I had to put the fork on the strap, pull over. And now let's try to put it back in. Alright guys, completely finished now. Finished putting the 214s. Finished tightening this 14 right here. And put this back to pretty solid. Looks pretty nice in the car. We're gonna see how it looks after it's done. This is how the car sits. It's been a couple of days since the last part that you guys seen. Forgot to close it off, but I wanted to give you guys a close-up of how it looks. From the front, it's completely maxed out. It's probably like, I want to say 2.5 inches off the edge of the rim. And in the back, it actually does justice. It actually tucks really good actually. This probably lifted like 1.5 inches from the max point. But it's pretty decent. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys want, you guys can like and subscribe, do all that bullshit, and I can keep on posting. But yeah, that's it.